Welcome to Vectronics Apple World. Today we'd like to show you our PowerBook Dual Dock Plus. The Dual Dock Plus was introduced in May 1995 and stayed in production until February 1997. The Dual Dock is used to turn a PowerBook Dual sub-notebook into a fully functioning desktop computer. PowerBook Duals like this one have only two built-in ports, an RJ11 modem port and a serial port used for an external printer or modem. PowerBook Duals also have a processor direct slot, which is used to connect it to the Dual Dock. The Dual Dock adds an optional internal hard drive, a 1.4 megabyte floppy disk drive, and a wide array of standard Macintosh and PowerBook ports. The Dual Dock also provides two new bus expansion slots. The Dual Dock Plus has an auto inject and eject one-step docking device similar to the mechanism used on an old video cassette recorder that is used to connect the sub-notebook. The Power Latch docking technology provides an easy, reliable connection between the Dual Dock and the PowerBook Dual sub-notebook. The Power Latch pulls in the PowerBook and connects this 152-pin processor direct slot to the Dual Dock. At this time we will show you the boot process. The Dual Dock uses soft power, which means that it will only boot when the power button on the keyboard is pushed. Push the power button on the back of the Dual Dock and it's ready to receive the PowerBook Dual sub-notebook. Make sure that the PowerBook Dual's port cover is open and the legs are recessed. Insert it into the Dual Dock and you will hear the power latch grab it and pull it forward. Push the power button on the keyboard and the Dual Dock begins to boot. The boot process for this particular PowerBook, which is a PowerBook Dual 230, is especially long because the prior owner loaded it up with extensions and control panels. And you can see them booting at the bottom. One of the main advantages of the Dual Dock is that it gives you access to more video RAM. The Dual Dock Plus has 1 megabyte of built-in video RAM. It is capable of driving an external monitor over a variety of resolutions beginning at 512 by 384 at 16-bit color depth and ending at 1152 by 870 at 8-bit color depth. Now we will show you the shutdown process. At the top menu, click Special and Shut Down. The sub-notebook ejects by pressing the ejection button on the front of the Dual Dock. Thank you for viewing, and visit Vectronics Apple World for more information about the Dual Dock and PowerBook